Right, interesting morning this morning. Forex Factory news feed, calendar, whatever you want to call it, decided to add the emergency interest rate announcement that happened at 7 a.m. this morning after it had happened. So I always check my charts before I go to bed at night, and then first thing in the morning before I start trading. I check the calendar, and that was definitely not there. And the cable thread quick scan over there, which I don't use at all, but because it messes with my judgment, I just thought I'd see what they had to say about that. Yes, apparently they agree with me, it was not there. So that was a very, very risky, or not risky, but very, very cheeky, naughty thing to do. So anyway, fortunately, because I trade pre-Forex, I really just try to trade pre-Frankfurt rather, and be well out of my trades before 6:45 really, or something like that. I missed all the fun. Having said that, cable was in a downtrend at the time anyway, so I was just trading what I considered to be, here we can see the downtrend, what I considered to be a retracement anyway, so I could quite easily have considered trading the short off of that 8 MA there, the hourly 8 MA, but I didn't. And I decided that they must have taken out some potential shorts here, and my bias was long at this point, and all I did really was apply my indicator entry, if you like, to Billy's 15-minute bar. I don't trade this every day, and I certainly don't trade it the way Billy does, but apparently all the big boys look at this time of day, 8 to 8:15. He's got some sort of proprietary statistical program that he runs on this stuff. He lives and breathes that 15-minute bar by all accounts. Billy TT on his own thread, go and read it if you wish. I took a net 15 pips out of this one. I just expected the price to run up to this 50 level here, although I always go short, as you know, or nearly always go short. They've run through it, so that indicates to me that they're potentially taking out stops, that that these guys taking the shorts, although not many people, this wasn't a retail traders movement, this was an institutional move. Retail traders hardly move the market at all, but we know that the 50 level is, or I believe, this is just my belief, the 50 level is the one that they target more than the 25, and the round numbers of course as well. And that was my thought process of just grabbing rather more. Well, to be fair, I entered before Billy would have considered entering. He always enters the break. I entered because of my 5-minute unbelievably fantastic histo alert, that I consider that way anyway. We all have our little things that please us, and this is what I like using, especially at this time of day when he's expecting movement. As such, I'm expecting movement. The 8 hourly MA, the hourly 8 MA should I say, had turned green as well, so it was just a mechanical trade, and it's what I like to do. So far today, 5 times my normal daily requirement. If you look on the previous or the one before the previous video, the compounding sheet, you'll see how quickly that starts to add up, and how quickly you can build your pot up if you use that sort of method. Anyway, thanks for watching, have a great day. Excuse me.